Dear students, today we start the problem number 3, exercise 12.3. The problem 3 given, find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.21 if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD, BPC are semicircle. So, this is a square. The length of the side given 14 centimeter and these two are semicircle, APD and BPC, these two are semicircle. Now we have to find area of the shaded region, this and this portion. These two portion we have to find area. Now if we taking whole area of square minus this, then ultimately we get area of the shaded region. So first we have to find area of the square. Solution, here side of the square equal to 14 cm. Therefore area of the square ABCD equal to, we know side square. Side square means 14 square. This is 196 centimeter square. This is the area of the square. Now we have to find area of the semicircle, this and this. First, so this is length of the side 14, so radius will be half of this radius, that means 7. So diameter of the semicircle equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore radius R equal to 14 by 2, this is 7 centimeter. Now we have to find area of the semicircle, APD equal to half pi r square. So half means this is 1 by 2 remains same, pi means 22 by 7 and r means 7 square. We get this, and this is 1 by 2, 22 by 7, 7 into 7. 1 7 is cancel, this is 11, this will be 77 centimeter square. Similarly, area of the semicircle BPC also 77 square. Similarly area of the semicircle BPC equal to same, because both are same, 77 centimeter square. Now our requirement, area of the shaded region, this and this. Then we consider whole area of the square minus area of these two semicircle. Therefore area of the shaded region equal to area of the square. Shaded region equal to area of the square ABCD ABCD minus area of the semicircle APD minus area of the semicircle BPC. So APD and BPC, we subtract this from whole area. If we subtract this white portion, ultimately we get this shaded portion. So this will be 196 minus 77 minus 77. So 196, this is 15. If we subtract this, 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4. This is 42 centimeter square, and this is the required area of the shaded region. So shaded region area is this and this portion area, then whole area minus this semicircle area, then we get the required area. I consider problem number 4. The foregiven, find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.22 where a circular arc of radius 6 cm has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of the side 12 cm as center. So this is, we have to find area of the shaded region, and this is a circle, this arc whose circular arc whose radius is 6, this to this 6, and this is an equilateral triangle whose side is 12 centimeter. Now what is the area of the shaded region? So for finding shaded region, we know area of the equilateral triangle and area of the circle, and we subtract this small portion from this total. So first we have to find area of the equilateral triangle. Solution: given length of the side of the equilateral triangle, given length of the side of the equilateral triangle. So this length given 12, or we consider A equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore area of triangle OAB equal to, this is an equilateral triangle whose area is √3 by 4 A square, side square. So √3 by 4 side means 12 square. So this is √3 by 4, 12 into 12, because 12 square is 12 into 12, and cancelling this is 3. So this will be 36 √3 centimeter square. So area of the triangle we get 36 √3 square. I want to write the result here. Area of triangle OAB equal to 36 √3 centimeter square. This is the area of the equilateral triangle. Since radius of the circle is 6 centimeter, since radius of the circle is r equal to 6 centimeter, therefore area of the circle, this equal to pi r square. pi means 22 by 7 and r means 6, this. So this will be 22 by 7 into 36. So if we multiplying this and this, then we get 792 by 7 centimeter square. So we get these two areas, this area and this area. Actually our requirement is area of the shaded region. So if we adding these two, then this will be double, 2 times we consider. So we subtract from whole area minus this sector area. If we taking this is sector, then sector area, this is radius is 6 and angle is 60 degree because this is equilateral triangle. So we want to find sector area. Sector area equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta means 60 because this is the equilateral triangle, 360, and pi means 22 by 7, and r means 6 square. So this will be 6, 1 by 6, 22 by 7 into 6. In lower class method, 6 square means 6. This 6 cancel. So we get 622 into 6 by 7. This will be 132 by 7 centimeter square. So we get this is our area of this sector. So area of the shaded region equal to area of the triangle, area of the circle minus area of this sector area. Therefore, the required area of the shaded region equal to area of the triangle OAB plus area of the circle minus sector area. Now first area of the triangle we get 36 root 3 and area of the circle we know 792 by 7 plus area of the sector is this minus area of the sector is 132 by 7. So if we calculate this one, we get 36 root 3, taking LCM is 792 minus 132. This is 36 root 3 plus 066 by 7. Therefore, this required area, the required area equal to 660 by 7 plus 36 root 3 centimeter square, and this is our final answer. This is the answer. So dear students, this is very nice solution. So if you are feeling this solution is nice, then please like this video. If solution is not nice, then no need to like this video. So if you are feeling easy and nice solution, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.